Hey guys, and welcome to Knowledge Base. Today I'm going to show you how you can share a file on Google Drive. So I've got one file in my Google Drive here. I'm going to show you how you can do it with that. However, it works the same if you want to share a file or a folder. So what you want to do is find the file or folder you want to share and then right click on it. That's going to bring up a window here. You can either click share or get a shareable link. The way I recommend you do it is by clicking share. Now once you do that, you're going to get this box pop up here. You can either get the shareable link here in the corner, and what that's going to do is give you a link that you can give to anyone. The best way though to invite people to share your files with is by using the people tab here. Here you can enter in email addresses or names of people you want to share with. So all you would do is enter in an email. I'm just going to enter in my email here. And then click enter. And as you can see, it adds them to the people list, and you can also choose if they can edit, comment, or just view the folder. So once you've done that and you've added the people, just click send, and it will send out an email to all of the people you've just added there. They can simply then click on the link and then start editing the file. Once they open up the file, it will come up in their recent files and they'll have the file available to look at and edit. So that's how you share a file on Google Drive with anyone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if it helps you out, make sure you comment if you've got any problems, and subscribe for more videos like this.